Hey guys, this is Trevor here. So today I'll be talking about how to get referrals at LinkedIn. So the first thing that you need to do is go to LinkedIn and then sign up and then create an account. And after you have done that, you need to have your display pic. Do not keep selfies as your display pic because it's not Instagram or Facebook, it's LinkedIn. Next step, add all your projects, all your courses, all your certifications that you have to your LinkedIn. Why do you do that? Because just in case a recruiter just accidentally turns up at your profile, he could check out that what you have done and what you have achieved till now. And it might happen that he might be impressed, he or she might be impressed, and then he might offer you an interview or something like that. So that is the reason your LinkedIn profile should always be updated. Next thing, build connection. That is very important. When I say build connection, doesn't mean send requests to your friends only. When I say build connection, it means build connection with people of companies you aspire to join. Let's say you aspire to join Facebook, Apple, Amazon, Netflix, Google. So you should join people of Facebook, Apple, Netflix rather than joining people of CTS or TCS. That is what I mean. Next thing, now when you're joining people, how do you connect with them? So what you do is you just type in the company name in your search box. There's a search box at LinkedIn, and then go to people section. Then you can add the first 10 rows or 10 pages and then just send him a connection request. It's not necessary that every one of them will accept, but then what happens is 50% of them accept the request, and then if you next day again search for that company name and you'll find common connections, and then you can send requests, and 50% turns up to 70, then 80, then 90, and it turns up. So eventually what happens is you grow in a connection with people of companies working at the companies you aspire to go. Next thing, be active at LinkedIn. Don't be super dull at LinkedIn. When I say active, it doesn't mean posting I'm traveling to Himalayas or something. It means just in case you've achieved something. Let's say you've won a hackathon. Let's say you have got a good rank in some of the coding competitions. Let's say you've landed an internship or a good job offer. Go to LinkedIn, update it. Let people know about you because it is there to be known. Don't be shy of posting it. Just go post it. People will appreciate it. I've seen a lot of people scrolling through LinkedIn newsfeed and not pressing like or not commenting or not appreciating people. I think this is highly unprofessional of you, because what that will do is that will not help you build connections. So what you can do is, let's say someone has posted something really good and you feel like, wow, this guy has done something really good. So you can just go on, comment him, hey, well done, this looks really good, congrats, or something like that. Now what that does is, it might not do a lot, but this might create a small connection with that guy, and it might happen that you end up talking with that guy and he might help you in someday, or you might help him in someday. So it actually helps in commenting on people's post, so that the other connections also get to know that there's someone of this X name who is commenting or who is active. Next thing, whenever you have your name, there's something known as bio or description. So it's a short description, so you could have a short description. When I say short description, it means the best things that you have done. Like for me, I'm interning at Amazon. So what I do is I write as the intern at Amazon. I'll be joining media.net, so I write incoming engineer at media.net. I have a 6-star at CoachF, so I write CoachF 6-star. So what this does is, the people rarely go inside your profile, but whenever your name comes in, it shows a name, then your description, small description, and then actually catches the eye. Okay, this guy is an SD intern at this. He is joining this. He's a 6-star. That means this guy has some real talent. Let's say recruiter saw that okay, he's working at Amazon or something. Then what he or she does is, she might approach you for a job, and that is where you stand out. Now, if you have a dull profile, like just have your name and no bio, so it's a very rare chance that people get into your profile and then check what you have done. So that is why that little bio is very, very important. Now coming to the most important thing, how do you approach people for referral? Like how do you text them? Because I've seen a lot of people, they see this barrage of LinkedIn posts that, hey, we are referring, and they do is comment interested. So to be very honest, do you think that there are 500 interested comments and that people will go through each of the profiles and then select the deserved candidates? That's not done. That is the reason I said you should build initial connections, because what happens is, whenever you see such posts for referrals, what happens is, a lot of people comment and a lot of people send connection requests. So apparently what happens is when he accepts all the comment requests, all of them text, and his DM is bombarded with a lot of text, and he's unable to reply to everyone. So if you have some connection of that company previously who has not posted something, I think you should approach him that, hey, I saw a post from one of your colleagues that you are hiring for this role, so can you just refer me for this. You can just send him a text, and you can add a bit of bio about you, like, I have this project, I've achieved this, I've won this hackathon, I'm ranked this and this at this, I've been working with this company for this years, or something like that, and then send him. It should not exceed more than 7 or 8 lines, and the guy gives it a read. And since he has not been receiving so many of texts, there's a very high probability that he replies to you rather than the guy who has posted that. Let's say you have dropped him a text and the guy came online, he did not reply you. So I'll highly recommend you that please do not text him, hey sir, you did not reply, sir please reply, sir you came online, you did not reply. Do not do that, because that will highly irritate him and he might never ever reply, and he might disconnect you too. So it's better wait for 5 or 6 days, and if he doesn't reply, you drop him a text that, hey sir, I am actually really looking for this, I'm really in need of this job, or something like that. And if he replies, that's fine. If he doesn't, then move forward to the other people, approach him, and he might help. There are hundreds of people out there who are trying to help you. The most crucial thing is you should avoid message languages when you are conversing with professional people, because that really sends in a negative message. Important thing, I've said you how to send text, how to connect. Now whom to ask for referrals. It's seen that if you drop in a text to hiring managers or people of higher roles, they generally do not reply, because they are really busy in their day-to-day life. They're not that much active at LinkedIn because they have a personal life, because they're really someone of a senior level. Whereas the people who are of our age or of the age bracket of under 30 tend to reply really because they're socially active. So it's better you drop in a text to guys who are freshers or who have 3 or 4 years of experience. It's a high probability that they will reply and they might refer you. So guys, this was all about how do you approach people, how do you build your profile, how to approach connections, which connections to approach, and how to ask for referrals. So thank you guys for watching the video. Just in case you have liked the video, press on the like button, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Bye bye.